Welcome to Best by Report. The Best electric nail files is probably one of the most versatile tools for achieving salon-quality nails at home. Whether you're a seasoned nail art enthusiast or a beginner, the right electric nail file can significantly speed up your manicure and pedicure routine. From shaping and filing to removing gel polish and smoothing the nail surface, these devices offer precision and efficiency that traditional methods simply can't match, making them a must-have for anyone serious about nail care. Number 5. AIRSEE Home Lite USB Nail Drill Kit. This gel nail kit is perfect for beginners. It comes with everything you need to start doing your nails at home. You can quickly learn how to use it in about 30 minutes. The handle is made of aluminum alloy, which helps dissipate heat. The pen shape makes it easy to grip and control the speed. It is designed with two-way rotation, suitable for both left and right-handed users. This nail grinder uses high-speed precision control technology. It maintains stability at high speeds up to 20,000 RPM. It also ensures a low-noise environment for your comfort. Weighing only 0.5 pounds, it is very easy to carry around. It uses USB charging technology, so you can use it with a mobile power supply or laptop. You can get manicures and pedicures on the go. It's a great gift for anyone interested in nail art. It's a perfect starter kit for those who want to DIY their own nails. They will love it. What we like. This nail file is perfect for beginners. It's designed to be easy to use, so you can start doing your nails right away. If you're just starting out with nail art or want a simple tool for home use, it's a great choice. What people say. The adjustable speed settings allow for precise control, which is great for both delicate cuticle work and more intensive filing. The variety of included drill bits covers all my needs, from shaping and buffing to removing gel polish. What I appreciate most is how quiet and smooth it operates. Number 4. MelodySusie PC120i Electric Nail Drill Kit. This kit comes with a powerful rotary motor and various drill bits. It's designed for shaping, buffing, and removing different types of nails. It is suitable for both professionals and beginners. The machine features a quiet motor with smart heat dissipation. This design keeps the device running cool, quiet, and with minimal vibration. Remember to let it rest after continuous use. Easily adjust the speed and direction with a single button. This e-file is suitable for both right-handed and left-handed users. It helps you cut your time in half. Its compact design makes it lightweight and easy to carry. You can do your nail artwork anytime, anywhere. It's a perfect choice for travel. It's perfect for home salon use or travel. Just plug in the adapter to start. The high efficiency and stable performance ensure a long working life. It is very easy to use. What we like. This nail drill offers a balance of power and portability. It's designed to handle various nail types and tasks. If you are looking for a versatile tool that you can take with you, this is the one. What people say. The nail drill is very easy to use. It has a low vibration and is very quiet. It is lightweight and easy to hold. Number 3. OVX Electric Nail Drill Kit. This is the OVX Electric Nail Drill, a portable and convenient tool for all your nail needs. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals, making nail care easy and enjoyable. With a standard USB interface, you can power it from various sources like power banks or laptops. Its compact size makes it easy to carry, so you can do your nails anytime, anywhere. It features an adjustable speed control up to 20,000 RPM. You can easily adjust the speed and direction to safely polish your nails, making it ideal for all skill levels. The high-quality aluminum alloy body ensures low heat and vibration, providing a comfortable experience. The powerful motor operates quietly, allowing you to focus on your work. This kit is designed for various tasks, including carving, polishing, and shaping. It's also great for removing calluses and even for pet nail sanding. The kit includes 6 metal bits, 26 sanding bands, and a nail art brush. This comprehensive set saves you time and helps you achieve beautiful nails. If you have any issues, we are here to help. What we like. This nail drill features a USB interface for easy charging and use. It's compact and convenient, making it ideal for travel. If you travel frequently or need a nail drill that's easy to use anywhere, this is a great option. What people say. It gets the job done very well and also comes with a bunch of bits, which is extremely nice, and a combination of them will make your nails come out amazing. This little nail drill machine works just fine. Been using this drill since 2011, works great. Number 2. AIRSEE 20,000 RPM Electric Nail Drill Kit. This lightweight and portable nail drill is easy to take with you. The aluminum body ensures efficient heat dissipation, low noise, and minimal vibration. It's perfect for both personal and professional use. The AIRSEE nail drill comes with everything you need. It includes 6 drill bits, sanding bands, a nail art brush, nail sticks, and files. This kit is designed for all your nail care needs. With a forward-reverse switch and adjustable speed control, it's simple to operate. Just plug it in by USB and start using it. This beginner-friendly device allows you to achieve professional results at home. The kit includes various bits for different tasks. Changing the bits is tool-free and easy. Ensure the bits are securely inserted to avoid any shaking during use. If you have any questions, contact Alice for support. It's a great gift for nail art enthusiasts. Buy it with confidence and enjoy beautiful nails anytime, anywhere. What we like. This nail drill is a complete kit with everything you need to get started. It's designed to be easy to use, even for beginners. If you like having all the necessary tools in one package, it's a perfect choice. What people say. The power that this little device has is amazing. TMI, I know, but it will get all dead skin off and under your nails. Very easy to use. Even for adult beginners. Easy to store and operate. Number 1. COSLUS Cordless Nail Drill Electric File. Introducing the COSLUS Cordless Nail Drill. This professional kit is perfect for both manicures and pedicures. It's designed to give you salon-quality results at home. With adjustable speeds and forward-reverse options, it's easy to customize your nail routine. The kit includes various grinder bits, so you can achieve any style you desire. This lightweight, pen-shaped design makes it comfortable to hold and easy to carry. It's perfect for beginners and experienced users alike, offering convenience and portability. The upgraded motor and overload protection ensure a long lifespan. Its spring structure minimizes noise and vibration, providing a more pleasant experience during use. Enjoy up to 6 hours of use on a single charge, with fast charging in just 1 hour. You can even use it while it's charging, ensuring your nail care isn't interrupted. This kit comes with everything you need, including 6 drill bits and sanding bands. It's an excellent gift for anyone who loves nail art, offering professional results at home. Please note that the adapter is not included to avoid wasting resources, but you can charge it using any 5V adapter. Packaging may vary, but the contents are exactly the same. What we like. This nail drill is cordless, offering freedom of movement. It also has a long battery life, so you can use it for extended periods. If you value convenience and portability, this is a great choice for you. What people say. Has easy settings to use and functions for different nailing. So easy to use, powerful but not so much that when it slipped off my nail it didn't gouge my skin like at the nail salon. This ground them flat easily. And took off gel polish without damaging acetone soaks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.